Ever had your program crash because a file didn't exist? Or someone entered the wrong input? That's where exception handling comes in. Instead of shutting everything down, Python lets you handle errors gracefully. Today, I'll show you simple real-world examples, plus a cool new feature from Python 3.14. One of the most common cases is with files. Let's say you want to read a list of users, but the file isn't there. Normally, the program would just crash. But with try except, you can show a friendly message instead. See? The program doesn't crash, and the user gets a clear message. Now imagine you're accessing data from a dictionary or a list. If the key or index is wrong, you'll get an error. Previously, you had to write it like this. But in Python 3.14, you don't need the parentheses anymore. It looks small, but it makes the code more readable and cleaner. By the way, a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, StormMCP. StormMCP provides ready-to-use MCP servers that you can directly connect with clients like Claude, Cursor, and many others. The best part? It already supports integrations with popular services like GitHub, Perplexity, Notion, Microsoft, and many more. Instead of spending hours setting up APIs and configs, you can connect these tools to your MCP client in just a few simple steps and start using them right away. Super useful if you want to save time and focus on building. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description. Here's another real case. Let's say you're trying to connect to a database. If the connection fails, you might want to raise another error that explains the context. Now the traceback shows both errors, the root cause and your custom message. This is super helpful when debugging. In industry projects, creating custom exceptions is a best practice, because if you only use built-in exceptions everywhere, it's hard to know where the error came from. Take a payment system, for example. Just by reading the error, you immediately know it came from the payment flow, not somewhere else. In production, when an error happens, you often want extra context, like which user caused it or which service failed. Python makes this easy with add note functionality. Now the traceback includes that note. Imagine how much easier debugging becomes when you instantly know which user's checkout failed. Exception handling isn't just about preventing crashes. It's about writing cleaner, more reliable, and user-friendly code. It makes your programs professional and saves tons of debugging time. So yeah, that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Python goodness. See you in the next one.